We are with patient Peter. We did one max harvest hair transplant 6 years ago. Peter is what's called a class 6. How was the process for you?
It was excellent. I'm very pleased with it. You did a great job. The recovery was awesome.
And now, so you're back for more hair?
Yes.
Okay, it's his hair. It's all nice and natural and soft. This right here is the suture line. If you can see that little fine trace line. He healed absolutely amazing.
I think the procedure is very simple, very good. I had several of my friends came and did the procedure. They enjoyed it. They're very happy. They're very satisfied.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, doctor.
We're going to do another great job for you.
Good to see you as well.
Here we are with Jim.
I just did my research. I had a girlfriend at the time, did some research.
You love your results?
It's been amazing, amazing. Oh my gosh, yes it did in so many ways.
Yeah.
Your confidence level is so much better.
Yeah.
So much better.
So this is what they did before. This little guy right through there. I mean, you healed amazing, Jim. Even for that huge case, you can't even see it. Look at that. Awesome, man. That looks amazing. So congratulations, buddy.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so now you're back for more.
Yes, sir. I would recommend it so much.
I love what I do, and it makes me feel so good.
Oh, you
when
changed
I'm
my life. Thank you so much.
You were a class 6, correct? Where you didn't have any hair on your head?
Yep. I was just looking at the old pictures, and it's like amazing the
Wow.
difference. It went really smooth. I took like one pill the next day, and I said, you know what, I don't even need it. Took it 2 days later. It was great.
It's really cool stuff. And what we did is we were able to take them all the way around. I'm just going to kind of do a quick little profile on you here, pin on you here, and just kind of tilt your head all the way back for me, please. Excellent.
Don't even think about it. Just go ahead and do it. It's like, this guy's great.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hi there. Here we are with our patient Jose. He started losing his hair early. In one procedure, we were able to put him back together. How was the process for you, my friend?
It was great. It was really great.
Are you happy you did it?
Extremely happy. Changed my life. Absolutely. It's giving me confidence now. I would never go out in public without a hat.
Oh, wow.
So now I hardly wear hats anymore. So it's great. My wife's happy.
Happy wife?
Yeah, she's happy.
Happy wife, happy life. Perfect.
That's right.
Okay. This little line hidden underneath here, that's his suture line. You healed amazing. Just beautiful. Yep, you did great.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank
I'm
you
very
very
happy
much.
for you, buddy.
Thank you.
All right.